Why is your auto insurance so expensive? Today, we're breaking down the 10 factors insurers use to set your premium and which ones you can actually control. Factor number one, your age. And this one is bigger than you think. Insurance prices follow a U shape across your life. At 18, you pay the highest rates on the road, often 2 to 3 times more than your parents. No driving history means insurers price the unknown. Rates start falling in your mid 20s, and they hit their lowest point in your 50s. Then, after 70, they climb again. So if you're young, stay on a parent's policy as long as you can. It can cut your bill nearly in half. Factor two, your driving record. This is the one insurers care about most. Think of your record as a document they read line by line. A clean history gets you their best rates. One speeding ticket adds about 20 to 30%. An at-fault accident pushes it up 40 to 50%, and a DUI can nearly double your premium, and it follows you for 3 to 5 years. The takeaway? Drive clean. It's the single biggest discount you control. Factor three, your credit score. Yes, really. In most states, insurers use a credit-based insurance score to predict how likely you are to file a claim. And the gap is huge. Drivers with poor credit can pay 70% more than drivers with excellent credit, sometimes double. Same car, same record. Very different bill. 4 states ban the practice: California, Hawaii, Massachusetts, and Michigan. Everywhere else, raising your score is one of the quietest ways to lower your premium. Factor four, your zip code. Where your car sleeps at night matters more than you'd think. Insurers price by neighborhood, accident rates, theft, vandalism, even local repair costs. The same driver and the same car can pay $3,300 in downtown Detroit, $2,200 in Jacksonville, and $1,100 in rural Vermont. City traffic means more claims, so urban drivers pay more. The takeaway: if you're moving, get an insurance quote before you sign the lease. Factor five, the car itself. Before you fall in love at the dealership, know this: insurers rate every model. Repair costs, theft rates, and horsepower all feed the formula. A family minivan might run $1,250 a year. A midsize sedan, $1,400. That turbocharged sports car, $2,600 or more. The takeaway: check the insurance cost before you buy the car, not after. Factor six, how much you drive. More miles means more chances to crash, and insurers price it exactly that way. Drive under 7,500 miles a year and you can qualify for low mileage discounts. A 15,000-mile commute pushes you into the highest tier. And if you barely drive at all, pay-per-mile insurance can cut your bill dramatically. The takeaway: report your real mileage and ask about low mileage programs. Factor seven, the coverage you choose. This is the dial you control directly. Raising your deductible from $500 to $1,000 can cut your premium 10 to 20%. Dropping collision on an older car can save even more. But be careful. A high deductible only works if you could actually pay it tomorrow. The takeaway: tune the deductible to your savings, not your optimism. Factor eight, marriage. And yes, gender. Statistically, married drivers file fewer claims, so most insurers charge them less, often 5 to 15%, and young men pay more than young women because the accident data says they crash more. You can't control much here, but here's the move. If you just got married, call your insurer. That phone call is free money. Factor nine, gaps in your coverage. Insurers love continuous coverage, and they punish gaps. Even a short lapse can raise your next premium 8 to 35% because lapsed drivers are statistically riskier. Switching companies? Totally fine. Just make the new policy start the day the old one ends. The takeaway: never let coverage lapse, even for a single day. Factor 10, your claims history. Every claim you file follows you for 3 to 5 years. One at-fault claim can push your rate up 40%, and two can nearly double it. So for small damage, do the math first. A $600 scratch may cost you more in surcharges than paying cash. The takeaway: save claims for the big stuff. That's what insurance is for. So there you have it. 10 factors, and you control more of them than you think. Keep your record clean, watch your credit, tune your coverage, and shop around once a year. Better yet, let a local agent do the hunting for you. Find yours free at insurehunt.com. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.